Kevin here from Flowmaster Performance, and today we're going to do an unboxing on this JEGS deep tone chambered muffler. In this particular case, it's a 3-inch model with a offset inlet and center outlet. So we're going to move the camera in closer and take a look inside this box. I'll rip this open right now. Got some packing material here. Of course, you get a JEGS catalog, excellent reference point for a lot of high performance parts, so this is definitely something worth keeping. We'll keep this to the side. It's packed inside a box itself. I'm going to flip it over. Take a look. Again, packed in some more packing material. Like I had said previously, it's a JEGS chambered deep tone muffler. In this case, it's an aluminized muffler. It's basically a knockoff of a Flowmaster style 40 series muffler. I've had experience with these mufflers in the past, and for the amount of money and quality that you get at JEGS, for less than 30 bucks, you can put these on just about any car today. They come in different sizes and in different inlet and outlet configurations. So a 9-inch wide muffler, about 4 inches high, and about 13 inches over length of the body itself. It does have a 19-inch overall length. The link will be in the description. Installed on our little tow rig that we got out here. It's a 88 GMC Suburban 2500 with a 350 throttle body style injection motor. Very durable muffler. Something that you're going to get a long life out of and save some coin for your wallet when going with some of the higher priced options like Flowmaster out there. Now, of course, these are not American made mufflers, which some people may take a little bit of an issue with, but on a budget, these are a high quality option, and I look forward to installing these on our Suburban.